Dear students, now we are going to discuss some important from unit and measurement that exercise problems. So you know very well in physics or chemistry, even in mathematics, whether you are going to solve some problem, you should know some conversion. For example, um, millimeter converted into meter, centimeter converted into meter, then sometimes Armstrong unit is given, that is 10 power minus 10 meter, then astronomical unit, then light year, then different types of what is that subunits, and then multipliers, that is a 10 power plus value, that is multipliers, then 10 power minus value, that is submultipliers. So like that, so many conversions are there. Then if you observe this NCERT, especially in the second lesson problems, it will give great practice to you. Okay, then how to handle the problem, then how to convert the units from one to another. Okay, so like that, so many uses are there. Okay, so if you watch interestedly, you can get some idea. Okay, I hope that. So regarding that, see that first one from this unit and measurement chapter, exercise question 2.1. The first one, actually the question is, you feel simple only, but then how to handle this question, then how to approach. Okay, normally you can do the mathematics, that is different. Okay, but with the physics mind, and how to solve, that is very important here. Okay, then how you are thinking, that is very important. So please see students here. First question, see that actually it is a 2.1 totally, some what is it, like some fill-ups is given. The first question, the volume of a cube of size 1 centimeter is equal to then dash meter cube. So listen students, so here the volume of the cube of size 1 centimeter is equal to dash meter cube. Okay, so in this question, the DA question answer, actually it is given value, it is in the centimeter. Okay, let us take one cube. Okay, so let's take one cube. This is a cube. So please observe how to draw the diagram and everything. Okay. So generally, you know that the cube, I mean, whenever we find the volume, length into breadth into height, you know very well. But it is a cube. Length, breadth, height, and everything should be the same value. Okay. So we can write as, actually this is a, for example, it is a length, it is the breadth, then it is a thickness, or we can say that a height. But it is a cube, so every value should be same. So here also a length, here also a length, then here also a length. Okay, so how to find that length into breadth into height, or otherwise a into a, I can write the a cube. So that is the formula for, what is that cube value. Okay, volume of the cube. Okay, so this only we are going to find. So now I can write that is a cube is equal to, so in the question they mentioned the volume of the cube of the side 1 centimeter. So every value is 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter. Okay, so a value is given as, that is 1 centimeter, then whole cube, that's all. But in the question they are asking converted into meter cube. Okay, so now you should know that conversion. Okay students, so now you know that is a 10 power, I mean 1 centimeter means, you know, 1 centimeter is equal to 10 power minus 2 meter. Okay, but I need a centimeter cube. Okay, so let's take cube on both sides. Here also cube, otherwise I write one more step. Okay, so we can write 1 centimeter is equal to 10 power minus 2 meter. So 1 centimeter cube is equal to 10 power minus 2 meter whole cube. Okay, so 10 power minus 2 whole cube, how you know? 10 power minus 2 whole cube. So that is like a, I'll write the formula you remember in the lower standard, a power m and whole power n. I can write a power m cross m into n. So like that, 10 power minus 2 whole power 10 power minus 2 the whole power 3, then here it is the meter cube. So I can write 10 power minus 2 into whole power 3, that is 10 power minus 2 into 3, that is 10 power minus 6 meter cube. Okay, so now we converted. So we can write this 1 centimeter cube can write as 10 power minus 6 meter cube. So this is known as that is a meter cube. Okay, the same thing the volume. Okay, actually the volume of the cube in a centimeter we can say that is 1 centimeter cube. The same thing we can convert it into meter cube. It is equal to 10 power minus 6 meter cube. So in this build-ups what will come? 10 power minus 6 meter cube. Okay. Next one, the surface area of solid cylinder of radius 2 centimeter and height 10 centimeter is equal to dash millimeter square. Actually here the surface area of solid cylinder asking, but radius and height value given in centimeter. So usually if you convert, I mean the radius into height, so that is centimeter squared only will come. But the answer they are asking in millimeter squared. So whether you know or not, from conversion from centimeter squared to millimeter squared. So that is the main thing here. Okay. So shall we find out now? Yes. Say for example, see that let us imagine it is like a hollow cylinder. Okay. But in our question they are asking solid cylinder. So let us imagine it is solid cylinder now. Okay. Okay. So in the solid cylinder height is given. Okay. In solid cylinder height is what? Actually 10 centimeter is given. Okay, centimeter means this much height only will come. For your convenient I said, so it is like a 10 centimeter, and its radius. Okay, actually it is a solid, it is not hollow. Let us imagine. Okay, its radius is given. Okay, radius is given as 2 centimeter. Okay, now they are asking what? That is the surface area of the cylinder. Surface area of the solid cylinder. So here we can generally 3 surfaces there. One is this curved surface. Okay, and another one is in the top surface, then second one in the bottom surface. Okay, so then how to approach this question? Listen, for your convenience I will draw one diagram for this big question. Okay, so please listen. So it is that cylinder. Okay, so in that cylinder, okay, in the curved surface, top surface and this bottom surface. Okay. Okay, so now the height value given in the question. What is the height? So height value you know that is 10 centimeter. So height value given as 10 centimeter. Then this radius from here to here, you know that it is the radius. So the radius value is given, that is 2 centimeter. Radius value that is 2 centimeter. Okay, now they are asking the surface area. Okay, listen student. First, the curved surface area how to find? You know that this is one round. Okay, see that? This is one round. Again, round. Okay, it's a first round. Then one step move. Second round, one more step move. Third round, one more step move. Third round. Okay, 2 pi r, 2 pi r, 2 pi r, 2 pi r, 2 up to height. Up to height. Okay, அப்ப height வரைக்கும் 2 pi r count பண்ணீங்கன்னா அதுதான் என்னது? Surface area. Okay, curved surface area. So 2 pi r, அப்போ 2 pi r into h. ஏன்னா யூனிஃபார்ம் சர்ஃபேஸ் தான் இருக்கு. அப்போ 2 pi r, 2 pi r, 2 pi r, 2 pi r அது எது வரைக்கும்? Up to height. Okay, so 2 pi r. So we can write the surface area. So I'll write here. Okay, so this surface area. Okay, the area of the solid cylinder. Okay, area of the solid cylinder. I can write that is 2 pi r h. Okay, 2 pi r up to h. Then top surface area, then bottom surface area. Surface area what is? அப்ப பாத்தீங்கன்னா எப்படி இருக்கும்? Top surface area, it is like a round shape. Okay, so we can say that surface area, I mean that is the area of the circle. Area of the circle, you know that is a pi r square. Okay, so we can write that is a pi r square for top. Like that bottom also pi r square. Okay, so 2 pi r h, pi r square by pi r square, that is 2 pi r square. Okay, so the common value 2 pi r. So 2 pi r So inside h இங்க r squared வெளிய வந்துருச்சு ஒரு r தான் இருக்கு இல்லையா so we can write so this is the actual surface area of the given cylinder so now we can substitute the value as usual so 2 into pi value what 3.14 into r value what 2 centimeter okay 2 centimeter then h plus r h value 10 centimeter r value 2 centimeter 12 plus 2 that is sorry 10 plus 2 that is 12 centimeter so I write directly inside so 12 centimeter okay so now therefore area is equal to 2 into 3.14 we can write 6.28 into 2 centimeter then into 12 centimeter okay so area is equal to 6.25 into 2 6.28 into 2 so here 6 12 times 6 2 times means 12 28 12 times means that is 56 okay so 6.28 into 2 1256 centimeter then into 12 centimeter so area is equal to centimeter into centimeter in centimeter square so 1256 into 12 1256 into 12 first 2 times 2 times 1256 we can write yes 512 then so first 2 over next 1 time 1 so 1 into 256 1256 okay so can get 2 7 0 so here it is 2 times 2000 so it's a 5 so 1 so 15072 so 1507 let's take so we know that here 6.28 okay 6.28 into 2 that is we can write 12.56 here 12.56 into 12 we can write 150.7 150.7 2 also will come okay into centimeter square okay here it is a centimeter square okay but answer they are asking in a millimeter square so how to approach a millimeter square so see that I'll write here we know that 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter just you take on scale itself you know okay 1 centimeter okay in the 1 centimeter gap the very small line you know the 10 lines are there that is each and every what is that line here it's a millimeter okay so 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter okay so 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter so 1 centimeter cube we can write 10 millimeter cube so here we can write a square because this is surface area you know so 1 centimeter square equal to 10 millimeter whole square so 10 power 2 we can write yes 10 power 2 then millimeter square okay so I write here yes so 150.72 1 centimeter square how it is converted into 10 power 2 millimeter square okay or you can simplify again see that 2 decimal back okay 2 decimal back அப்ப 2 decimal reverse ல வந்தா அங்க பவர் வேல்யூ என்ன ஆகும் இன்கிரீஸ் ஆகும் so we can write 1.507 enough so 2 power is increasing 1 to 2 power is increased already here 10 power 2 is there so we can write 10 power 4 millimeter square so this is the surface area of the cylinder okay in millimeter square how much is the value 1.507 into 10 power 4 millimeter square okay students see that next one a vehicle I mean see question a vehicle moving with a speed of 18 km per hour covers some meter in 1 second so the speed is given 18 km per hour should convert into meter per second okay so please listen it is a C question okay so speed is given that is 18 kilometer per hour should be converted into meter per second. Okay, so we know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Like that, 1 hour is equal to, convert into second. So we know that that is 3600 seconds. Okay, so 1 kilometer per hour is equal to 1000 meter per 3600 seconds. So 0, 0, 0, 0 cancel. So we can write the second table, we can write 5 by 18 meter per second. So whenever the kilometer per hour value is given, if you want to convert into meter per second, you should be multiple with 5 by 18 meter per second. 5 by 18. Okay, then it is converted into meter per second. So like that, I can write this 18 kilometer per hour. I can write as 18 into kilometer per hour. I can write as 5 by 18 meter per second. Therefore, 18 will be cancelled. So 5 meter per second. Okay, so it is answer. The next question D. See that the relative density of lead. Lead is the material. Okay, it is using in the nuclear reactor also. Okay, the what is it? The relative density of the lead is given. That is 13.3. Okay, its density is some value in gram per centimeter cube. That is in CGS unit. Okay, centimeter, gram, like that. Okay, that is CGS unit. Okay, or the same magnitude. Then asking in that is it in a kilogram per meter cube. Okay, that unit conversion asking. Okay, so listen. So before that, you should know what is relative density. Okay, so first, what is density? So we know that it is a D to C. Okay, so density. Okay, density, you know that it is density is equal to mass per volume. Okay, mass per volume. Say for example, let us take one cube. Let's take one cube. Okay, say for example here 1 centimeter, here 1 centimeter, height 1 centimeter. Okay. So 1 centimeter, length, side, breadth and everything. So it is like a cube. Okay. So listen, actually you know that the density of water, because basically I want to explain. So density of water. So density of water is in CGS unit. We can write as that is 1 gram per centimeter cube. So mass is in gram, volume is in meter cube. So let us take 1 cubic. Okay, one cubic. That means length, breadth, height, everything 1 centimeter. Okay. Appo idukulla nee enna pandra? You have to fill the water. So the water amount is what? That is 1 gram. Like that, here some material is given. That is a lead. That lead, how much time of water? Okay, இப்போ வாட்டர் வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா 1 கிராம் இருக்கு. இந்த 1 கியூபிக் சென்டிமீட்டருக்குள்ள எவ்வளோ ஆக்குப்பை ஆகும்? 1 கிராம். இப்போ அதே கியூபிக் சென்டிமீட்டருக்குள்ள இந்த தண்ணியை ஊற்றிட்டு என்ன பண்ணுற? You have to fulfill with the lead. So what about that gram? So that is a question. Okay. So now you know the density means mass by volume. Okay. Right. Then what is relative density? So the relative density means we have to compare the given density of the material with the water. அப்போ வாட்டரை போல எவ்வளோ டைம்ஸ் டென்சிட்டி இருக்கு. Okay, so that is relative density. So that relative density formula, relative density is equal to density of the given substance divided by density of the water. It is a formula. So the relative density equal to density of substance divided by density of water. This is from hydrostatics. Even 9th standard also is studied. Okay, relative density equal to density of substance divided by density of water. Density of any substance, maybe the castor oil or here the lead or iron or anything. Okay, அப்போ அதுக்கு என்னதான் ஒரு யூனிட்? கிலோகிராம் per meter cube. Then density of water, you know it is standard value. Density of water, you know that is 1 gram per centimeter cube. Okay, so gram per centimeter cube, it will be cancelled. So no unit for that. No unit for relative density. Okay, so the relative density is given. See that the relative density of the material is for lead is that is 13.3. It is given. Then density of substance, that means what here? Density of lead. Okay, then divide by density of water. Density of water is how much? 1 gram per centimeter cube. Because the first question what asking? In the gram per centimeter cube. So for that only I take gram per centimeter cube. Therefore, density of substance or density of lead is equal to 11.3 into 1 gram per centimeter cube or cubic centimeter. Okay, we can say 1 gram per cubic centimeter or 1 gram per cc. That is cubic centimeter. Okay, right. So now we can get the answer. So density of substance is equal to 11.3 gram per gram per cubic centimeter. So this is one result. Okay, see that here the density of what is that? The density of this given substance in gram per centimeter cube. We can write the same thing, 11.3 gram per cubic centimeter. Okay, so you can get some idea. Relative density enna quantity enna value kuduthukrango, the same value will come for CGS unit. Okay, no need to add any power value. Okay, right? Is it simple enough? Yes. Then the second one they are asking in kilogram per meter cube. You should convert. So we know that, see that density of substance is equal to 11.3 gram per centimeter cube. So we know that 1 gram, actually 1000 gram is equal to 1 kilogram. 1000 gram means what? That is 10 power 3 gram is equal to 1 kilogram. So therefore 1 gram is equal to 10 power 3 moving that side, 10 power minus 3. That is 10 power minus 3 kilogram. Okay, so now gram is I converted as 10 power minus 3 kilogram. Okay, then divide by meter cube, centimeter cube. Divide by centimeter cube. Okay, so like that centimeter cube, how to convert? Listen, we know that 1 centimeter equal to 10 power minus 2 meter. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 power minus 2 meter. So like that 1 centimeter cube. 1 centimeter cube, so whole cube. Here also whole cube. You can write 10 power minus 2 whole cube. We can write 10 power minus 6 meter cube. So we can write divide by centimeter cube. So centimeter cube, how we can write? That is 10 power minus 6 meter cube. So finally I can write the density of substance equal to 11.3 into 10 power minus 3. 10 power minus 6 moving numerator, 10 power plus 6. Then as usual kilogram in the meter cube per meter cube. So density of substance is equal to 11.3 into 10 power minus 3 into 10 power plus 6. This is a power m into a power n, so a power m plus n. You know that? So we can write 10 power, that is plus 3. Okay, upon 10 power minus 3 into 10 power 6 and 10 power minus 3 plus 6. That is 10 power plus 3 kilogram per meter cube. Or we can write finally, okay, one decimal we can write, so 1.13 into 10 power 1 in the 10 power 3, so we can write 10 power 4 kilogram per meter cube. Okay, so now we can say that answer here 1.13 into 10 power 4 kilogram per meter cube.